Right, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. Have you ever wondered why your septic tank smells? Well, let me show you. It's really simple. If you use too many cleaning products like bleach or disinfectant or things like that, it kills the bacteria in the septic tank. So the septic tank's like a stomach full of good bacteria, and if you put loads of bleach and other stuff down there, it kills the good bacteria. It's got like skull and crossbones on the back of the bleach bottles and the other cleaning products. So, you know, if we drunk it, it would kill us. So how can you limit the damage of what you do to your septic tank? How can you prevent septic tank problems and smells which result from using too many cleaning products? Well, I've just thought I'd show you this quick video. If you go to your supermarket, you'll notice in there's products such as Ecova. Now, Ecova are cleaning products that are based on plant-based amino acids, and so because they're plant-based, they're very kind and gentle to your septic tank. And so you can get Ecova washing up liquid, you can get Ecova toilet cleaner. Yeah, here's one here actually. There you go. I was just thinking, Ecova cleaning toilet cleaner. You can get Ecova floor soap. So you can get loads of different Ecova products, and they're very good. So no, I haven't got an invested interest in Ecova, but I'm just giving you a simple tip here. If you want to prevent septic tank smells, if you want to stop your septic tank from smelling, stop using all the normal bleaches and disinfectants which have got sulfuric acid in, and go over to sensitive toilet cleaners and cleaning products such as Ecova that are based on plants rather than abrasive cleaners that contain sulfuric acid and other nasty ingredients. So there you go, that's my tip for the day, right? If you don't want your septic tank to smell, you want to prevent smells, then change your cleaning product. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.